Welcome, dear viewer, to my Halloween special. Let's get started, shall we? We've already prepared the pumpkin by removing a hole in the bottom of it. This is the best way I find to put your lights in. Save burning your fingers. I'm using LED candles, so not a problem this year. Now empty the guts out and just carry on scraping them out with a little scraper. I did try using a power drill and a whisk. It didn't really work very well for me. So just a hand scraper is always good. And now we're going to use this rotary tool to start cutting some shapes. I'm going to go for one big central eye that you'll see in a minute. So yeah, this rotary tool with a little wood cutting disc on it can cut the outline out. It's not quite deep enough to cut the whole thing out. But yeah, we're going to cut it around and make it nice and spooky looking, hopefully. Let me know what you think of the finished result in the comments down below. And now I'm going to use my trusty knife to finish chopping out the rest of it. Just carve through it. You may recognise this knife. Yeah, now it's nice and cut out. I thought it was a pretty good one. Now I want to go for quite a different sort of smile. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull the base out first. And you can't really see it here, but I'm going to cut a little triangle shape for the base with this rotary tool. These pumpkins are quite tough to cut, actually. I was quite surprised how hard it was. Rotary tool did struggle a bit with this, which is weird, it cuts through metal fine, but this little bit was a bit difficult. And yeah, obviously those who are new, this is my Halloween special. I do one every year, or at least for the last 2 years. And now we're going to get the angle grinder out and start scraping the outside down and just mar him up and make him look like he's been in a fight. I'm also going to use the angle grinder now to finish chopping out the rest of his mouth. And give him a nice looking mouth. Or a nice scary looking mouth, should I say. Just pull out the insides. Isn't that a beautiful smile? I'm going to give him some deeper scars with the angle grinder. Make him look really nice and scary, like he'd been scratched up by a cat. And yeah, just work around with the angle grinder. The angle grinder makes quite good work of this. It does make a bit of a mess. You have to clean the angle grinder up afterwards, but it did quite a good job. And this is the finished result. And now our monstrosity is finished. Thank you for watching and happy Halloween. If you enjoyed this video, why not drop a like? Any questions or feedback? Let me know in the comments. I normally drop 2 videos a week. So if you haven't subbed to the channel yet, you should, and then you'll never miss another video. Do you know anyone else who would enjoy watching this video? Then feel free to share it with them. Thanks for watching until the end. Have a sensational day.